Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start while the ovulation window is current. This matters because sperm survival and timing determine success. Once you confirm peak fertility, wash hands thoroughly and open the Nory kit on a clean surface. Prepare the semen exactly as the kit directs. This is critical. Improper handling reduces viability. Set a timer and have a pillow nearby so you can recline. Proceed calmly. The first steps set the conditions that preserve sperm quality and maximize the chance of placement success. Once done assembling, attach the catheter or sleeve as indicated and be careful not to touch the sterile tip. Contamination reduces efficacy. Draw the prepared semen slowly into the syringe, expel air bubbles so you deliver the intended volume, and double-check markings. Then position yourself. Lie back, knees bent, and elevate your hips with a small pillow under the lower back. This angle helps the sample reach the cervical canal. Move deliberately and avoid sudden motions to maintain placement accuracy. You lower the catheter slowly toward the cervix and then depress the plunger at a steady pace. Releasing too fast creates discomfort and splatter. Once the sample is deposited, remain reclined for 10 to 15 minutes so gravity supports sperm movement. This simple pause improves chances. When you get up, do so gradually. Avoid strenuous activity the rest of the day. If you experience sharp pain, heavy bleeding, or excessive leakage, stop, lie down, and call Nory support or your clinician for next steps and reassurance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.